What's up, guys? Welcome to Tractor Ross. Yo, welcome to another episode of Tractor Ross. Today is a very special day. Why? Because today is my birthday, for one, and for two, we get to change flat tire on my tractor. As you guys seen in the last video, I had caught a flat. So, we're gonna change the flat today. All right. So as you can see, I got the tractor held up on a rock. It's not the safest thing. I don't recommend to do it that way. Maybe get some blocks or something. I got my new tire right here. Hopefully it's a perfect fit. Let's see how this goes. Oh, there's a dust cap. Gotta remove. Yeah, so it's a clip. Okay, we gotta remove. So we're gonna remove it. Make sure you don't lose it. I'm gonna see clamp real quick. Right there. Make sure you don't lose that. You got a washer right here. Washer. Okay, the tire should come right off now. Now you can see there's a key on the axle right there. And it stayed on, it's good, and you come off with the tire. We also got another washer back here. You want to make sure it stays on. So you get this new tire positioned on, and you'll see how it go. Well, we run into a problem, guys. The rim I took off. See how they have the slots for a key right there at the top, right here. This rim doesn't have that. This is a totally different rim. So I need to go to the tire shop, get this tire put on this rim. So I can put it on this axle. Alright guys, so let's get that done. Hey, what's up y'all? Tractor Ross. See, y'all won't believe it been like 3 or 4 days. I had bought the wrong rim for the tire I had bought. So I had to put the tire in the shop, all types of stuff. It just took time. Then I get the tire back and I realized it's like a slow leak in here. So time to repair that. Tractor Ross. Okay guys, so I got a little tire repair kit. I noticed a little leak in the tire when I got it back from the shop. So you'll see take care of that. Sorry about that, guys. You want to line it up like right in the middle. Like that. Gonna find a leak. Didn't work out like how I was supposed to. We got that leak stopped up right there. But one thing is always another, guys. Always remember that. You take your time, repairing everything, you know. That's how you plug a flat tire. Okay, guys, so you're about to ready to put the tire back on the axle. So you got your washer right there. There's a key right here that you got to line up with the rim. Be very careful with that. Let's see if I can get that on there. Okay, guys, we got the tire back on there with the key installed. So we get ready to put on our washer. No, that don't look right. Okay, I was right. Just had to look at the other side real quick. We're gonna put it on our washer. Then we got a clip we gotta put in. Okay, guys, we got our washer on there. We got our little clip back on there. Now it's time to see how it rolls. Let's get it off the rock. Job well done. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see it. Got that tire fixed. Let's see if we can crank her up. Let's see how she rides. Let's see how she rides. All rough. y'all for tuning in to Tractor Ross. Until next time.